Hello everyone, my name is Chris Lucilia from SMK Simagang to Bougainvillea. I am here to share information about science that I studied briefly to explain two vertebrate animals, namely mammals and birds.
Vertebrates, mammal and bird. Mammal is the homeothermic that is able to maintain constant body temperature that does not change with the surrounding temperature. Other than that, the mammal body covered by hair or fur. This mammal breathes through nose. In addition, mammal reproduce by internal fertilization. For example of mammals, bird is the poikilothermic. The body is covered with feathers. This animal also breathes through lungs. The bird is reproduced by internal fertilization. In addition, bird produce hard shell. This is for example of bird. And that's all from me.